What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 30 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your brokerage account, they're going to give you 30 free stocks of publicly traded companies. Guys, don't delay. Act today. Get down in that description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Open up your Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a couple of Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app so that you can start building wealth today. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Listen, man, send me an email. Let me know you've opened that Moomoo account so we can get you those Moomoo tutorial videos so you can learn how to use this app and start building wealth today. Well, guys, the stock market bounced back today in big time fashion. And that is in relationship to the CPI inflation report for December. It came in really, really, really good. So therefore, the stock market swept away, washed away that red, and returned to green. Here's the headline. Dow surges 700 points. S&P 500 beats best day since November after tame inflation report. December's consumer price index showed that core inflation, which excludes food and energy, rose 3.2%. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Wednesday. This was a notch down from the previous month and lower than the 3.3 estimated by economists surveyed by Dow Jones. Headline inflation increased 2.9% on a 12-month basis, in line with forecasts. The market breathed a sigh of relief as back-to-back inflation gauges, PPI on Tuesday and then CPI on Wednesday, came in slightly below expectations. This is coming from the head of U.S. Securitized Products and Portfolio Manager at Janus Henderson Investors. Perhaps most importantly, today's CPI number takes additional rate hikes off the table, which some market participants were beginning to prematurely price in. So what you was having happen, guys, is since the Fed had changed its position on reducing rates in 2025, you had some people in the market saying that they might even increase rates, which, of course, that's not going to be good for the stock market. So the CPI inflation report that ended the year, the December one, squashed all of that. Now we look forward to what? January, February, and March CPI inflation reports to give us a real better gauge on what inflation is doing in 25. But for now, I'm happy with what we got today, right? The 10-year Treasury yield sharply dropped on the back of the CPI report and was last down roughly 13 basis points at about 4.65%. Growth stocks such as Tesla and Nvidia popped around 8% for Tesla, 3% for Nvidia, as Treasury yields dove. The higher Treasury yields are, the worse the stock market does because we're competing for the same investors, right? So the stock market and the Treasury bonds are competing for the same customers, the same investors. So the higher the Treasury bond rate is, more people come out of the stock market, right? The lower the Treasury bond yield is, more people go into the stock market. So that's why the Treasury yield on the 10-year is important. Fourth quarter earnings reporting got off to a positive start Wednesday, with big banks managing to broadly top the street's expectations. JP Morgan Chase shares rose nearly 2% after the bank reported an EPS and a revenue beat, which was driven by strong fixed income trading and investment banking results. Shares of Goldman Sachs popped 6% after the bank posted a top and bottom line beat in the previous quarter. Wells Fargo shares jumped more than 6% after the bank said net interest income would be 1% to 3% higher in 2025. Citigroup gained 6% after beating fourth quarter estimates. We got a good start today to earnings season. The bank earnings are key because the financial sector is so tied to the general economy. So for these big banks to put up bullish numbers today, I think it does bode well. This coming from Chief Technical Strategist at Blue Chip Daily Trend Report. So all in all, guys, we're off to a good start in earnings season. The big banks came out and killed it, which mirrors the general economy. We got 2 inflation reports for last month, December. The wholesale PPI and then the retail CPI came in lighter than expected. Listen, man, that is good news for the stock market. And like I told you guys, that red we saw earlier in the week is getting washed away and rolling in green and green and green. The best thing for you to do is put yourself in a position so that you can win and do big things in 2025 when it comes to transferring wealth to yourself and your family. But the only way you can do that, guys, is you got to get in where you fit in. Like I mentioned to you guys earlier, don't turn down these 30 free stocks from Moomoo. What you got to do right now is get down in that description box and you got to click on that Moomoo link, man. If you put $2,000 in your new Moomoo brokerage account, you're going to get 30 free stocks, publicly traded companies. This is net worth, man, that this company is going to give to you to try out their brokerage app. And then you can take your $2,000 and start trading. Start buying you some investments to build your wealth. Guys, don't turn down this offer. Get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Make sure you go ahead and get the free stock and get the free money. I'm going to send you these Moomoo tutorial videos so that it'll walk you through how to use the app for a lot of you beginners that want to try. But you got to do something, guys. You can't sit on the sideline and think wealth is just going to magically transfer itself to you. It's not. You do not want to be in a situation where you get to be my age or older and you have no assets to take care of you. So start right now. For some of you older folks, start right now. Get down in the description box, click on that Moomoo link, open up that Moomoo account, put your $2,000 in it. Start that as your beginning base to get the 30 free stocks. Now, if you can't afford the $2,000, put $100 in. They're going to give you 5 free stocks. And then send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you've opened the Moomoo account and funded it. And I'm going to go ahead and send you those Moomoo tutorial videos so you can learn how to use this app and start building some wealth. The next thing you need to do is join my financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders, guys. We got 1,200 wealth builders in our community. We'd love to have you part of our community so we can help you build wealth. None of us are experts. We don't try to tell you what to do, but when you got 1,200 people in the financial community all headed towards financial freedom, we bring a lot of experience and knowledge based on our investing history to share with people who are brand new, right? Ultimately, it's your decision, but man, you got to join the Wealth Builders. Go to my website, www.richardfain.net, second link down in the description box. And then click on that join button. Click on that membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon and come sign up and join us. Be a part of our family. Be a part of our team. We want to get you to wealth. Also, while you're in the website, check out those digital products. I got 10 of them. Big boy blue chip digital products that'll help you with your financial literacy. It'll get your financial literacy up so you're more comfortable with your money to invest it. Well, guys, if you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.